Hello everybody, welcome to grammar lesson grade 6 unit 3 lesson 4 readers and writers notebook pages 214, 221 and 240. The lesson is about troublesome verbs. Now, before we continue, it's very important to know why are they called troublesome verbs. Some pairs of verbs are troublesome verbs because they look alike or have similar meanings. And it's very important to understand each and every verb, its meaning and how to use it. Otherwise, they will give you problem. Let's see, for example, we have been given here a different set of verbs, their meaning, and how to use them in present, past, or past participle. The first word is sit. Now, sit here means sit down. That means the opposite of stand. In present form, you can use it as sit. Past, it will be sat. If you're using it in past participle, together with these helping verbs, either has, have, had, it will be sat. The next word is set. Now you see sit and set almost the same. Now set here means put or place. To place something. So in present this word can be used as set, past set, and past participle together with the helping verbs has, have, had, it will be set. So set doesn't change, it remains the same. But sit in present is sit, past sat, and past participle together with has, have, had becomes sat. Now we have lie and lay. Now this comes another problem. The first word lie means rest or decline. To rest. Present will be lie, past will be lay, past participle has, have, had, lain. When you come to the second set of word, which is lay now, in the present, this means put or place. Look at the difference between these two words. The first word lie means rest. The second word lay means to put or place. In the present form, the word will be lay, past will be laid, past participle has, have, had, laid. Now that's why they are called troublesome verbs, because they are almost near to each other. We have the word rise and raise. This is another pair, also give problem to most of the people. Now rise means to get or move up. To get or move up. When something is going up or moving up by itself, we say it rises. For example, the sun rises from the east. So the first word can be used in the present as rise, in the past as rose, together with has, have, had, risen. Raise, when you lift something up, you are using or you are putting effort to lift something up, to make something go up. We say that you raise. In the present will be raise, past raised, and past participle has, have, had, raised. We have let and we have leave. Let means allow or permit, to give permission. That means in the present will be let, past let, and past participle has, have, had, let. Now leave means go away. It means go away. Past in the present will be leave, past left, past participle has, have, had, left. We have another pair which is lend and borrow. Lend means give, use of. In the present is lend, past lent, past participle has, have, had, lent. The second word is which is borrow, means get from someone. In the present is borrow, past borrowed, past participle has, have, had, borrowed. So when you take something from someone, you say you borrow, and when you give him, you say that you lend. So note the difference in the meaning for these two troublesome verbs. Now let us test ourselves and see if we have understood the lesson and if we can do the assignment for today. Now let us check ourselves here. Directions: underline the correct verb in each sentence. Now number 1, she had raised or risen the window in the kitchen. She had raised, risen the window in the kitchen. Choose one of these two verbs. Question number 2, Don Arturo has, is it laid or lain awake many nights? Is it Don Arturo has laid or lain awake many nights? Question number 3, Araceli, is it taught or learned her friend Juan a good lesson? Question number 3, Araceli, choose from either taught or learned her friend Juan a good lesson. Question number 4, sit, set the silverware on the table. Which verb will you choose? Is it sit or set the silverware on the table? Now these are the answers. Check it by yourself if you did it correct. She had raised. The first one should be she had raised, because she did the effort of rising. Make it something to raise up, of raising up. So she had raised. This is past participle because she did the effort of making the window to rise up. So she had raised the window in the kitchen. Number 2, the correct answer here is Don Arturo has lain awake many nights. Don Arturo has lain awake many nights. Number 3, the correct answer here is Araceli taught her friend Juan a good lesson. Araceli taught her friend Juan a good lesson. Answer for question number 4, the correct answer here is set, means to put. Set the silverware on the table. The correct answer here is set the silverware on the table. It is our hope and belief that the lesson is understood. If you have any doubt, you can go back to the video, the beginning, and listen to it carefully, and then after you have finished, go to your readers and writers notebook, open page 214, 221 and 240. There is the assignment for you. We wish you good luck. Thank you.